Seedance 2.0 is now available via Dreamina on CapCut. If this is your first time here, my name is Jay, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here, and I actually use one of these one-click prompts. So essentially it's asking for a surreal battlefield in the air, floating rocky islands drifting in a thunderstorm. You can read the rest of this. It is quite a cool prompt, and I'm just going to play it here so you can all see what was generated. Let me start that from the beginning. Cool. Okay, sweet. So that looks quite surreal, and I have to say this model is quite impressive. It can only generate in 720p using this particular interface, but I think the model itself can go up to at least 1080p, potentially even 4K. But I know they're also giving out free credits to people at the moment, anyone who's signing up via CapCut. So if you're looking for a way to now have access to Seedance, before it was only available to people who weren't living in essentially the western part of the world for the most part, but now we can actually have access to it. If you want to play around with it and see just how impressive this model can be, and of course if you want access to the full features, you can also choose to upgrade.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out
if you do so. So definitely check this out if you think it would be useful for you. And if you have any other tools you want me to display, then yeah, definitely give me a shout. Or if you're building something as well, feel free to drop that in the comments. Thanks for watching and have a great day.